Most firms obsess over one thing: how do we get more leads? But ask any accountant or consultant where their best clients come from, and the answer is always the same: referrals. But here's what almost no one talks about. Referrals alone don't create growth. You need to beat churn as well. And that leads us to the simplest formula for what I would say is, you call it perpetual growth, which is when referrals are greater than churn, you have growth. So let me break it down in plain English. Every month your firm experiences two forces. One, clients who leave, that's churn. Two, clients who come in through word of mouth, that's referrals. Now, whichever number is bigger determines, quite simply, whether your firm grows or quietly shrinks. Straightforward. When referrals are higher than churn, your firm grows automatically. No ads, no complicated funnels, just a compounding effect of trust. So imagine this. Your churn is 3% a month, but your referrals, clients, recommendations are bringing in 5% of new business. So that's 5% growth and 3% loss, leaving you with a net of plus 2% growth every month. And when you compound that over a year, well, your firm grows without relying on paid marketing. Now, this is what I call perpetual growth mode, because trust is doing the work for you. Now, in professional services, your client don't choose you because of a clever ad. They choose you because someone they trust vouch for you. And the moment you understand that referrals are your biggest growth engine and churn is your biggest leak, everything changes. You stop chasing cold leads and start designing a client experience that keeps people longer, gets them talking sooner. You don't need complicated tactics. It's two simple levers. Lever one, reduce churn. Give clients a great onboarding, early quick wins, clear expectations, proactive communication, that kind of thing. When clients stay longer, they almost always spend more and refer more. Now, lever two, increase referrals. Make referrals feel natural, not awkward. Ask at the right moment, share small success stories, show who your ideal client is, add moments worth talking about, magic moments as I call them. Or when your service becomes easy to recommend, trust spreads. So remember, when referrals are greater than churn, you get perpetual growth. When more people talk about you than leave you, your business grows predictably, month after month, year after year. Now, if you want some weekly ideas to help you increase referrals and create predictable growth without awkward conversations, then just simply subscribe to my newsletter, The Referral Edge. The link will be in the comments below. And you'll get loads of business growth ideas every single week. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you shortly. Bye now.